Welcome to our Google Sheets tutorial series. Today, I'm excited to show you how to insert hyperlinks in Google Sheets using 3 easy methods. Adding hyperlinks can be a great way to quickly navigate to web pages, files, or other locations within your spreadsheet with just a click. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the easiest methods, using the right-click option. First, identify the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. For this example, let's say we have the text Facebook in cell A2. Select this cell. Right-click on cell A2. This will open a context menu with several options. Find and select the Insert Link option. An Insert Link dialog box will appear. In the Link field, type the URL you want to link to. For our example, we'll enter the URL for Facebook, facebook.com. Then click the Apply button. You should now see that the text in cell A2 has turned into a clickable blue-coloured link. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink using the right-click method. Next, let's explore how to use the hyperlink function for adding links. Choose the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. Let's use cell A3 for this example. In cell A3, we are going to type the hyperlink function step by step. Follow along carefully. First, type the equal sign. Then, type the word hyperlink, all in capital letters. Next, type an opening parenthesis. Now, you need to type an opening quotation mark. After the quotation mark, type the URL of the website you want to link to. In this case, it's the URL for Instagram, instagram.com. Then, type a closing quotation mark. After the closing quotation mark, type a comma. Next, type another opening quotation mark. Now, type the text that you want to display in the cell. For this example, we will type Instagram. Then type a closing quotation mark. Finally, type a closing parenthesis. So the complete formula should look like this. Once you've completed the formula, press Enter. The cell will now contain a clickable hyperlink with the specified friendly name. By following these steps, you can easily insert a hyperlink using the hyperlink function in Google Sheets. This method allows you to create dynamic and customizable links within your spreadsheet. Lastly, let's use the Insert menu to create a hyperlink. Choose the cell where you want to create the hyperlink. For this example, we'll use cell A4, which contains the text Twitter. Go to the Insert menu at the top of Google Sheets and select Link. This action will open the Hyperlink dialog box. In the Hyperlink dialog box, type the URL you want to link to in the Link field. For example, enter the URL for Twitter, now x.com. Click the Apply button. The text in cell A4 will now be a clickable hyperlink. Inserting hyperlinks in Google Sheets is a powerful way to make your data more dynamic and interconnected. Whether you're linking to helpful websites, other parts of your spreadsheet, or creating a directory of important documents, the ability to create hyperlinks is a must-have skill for any Google Sheets user. Experiment with different types of hyperlinks and see how they can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. See you next time.